Fine. So in the previous session, we have seen and we have discussed the problems on the weighted average or aggregative method, and we have solved on three methods, that is Laspeyres, Fastius and Fisher's method. Now we'll take up the similar problem and we will solve it. Okay, we'll take up a similar problem and we can solve it. How exactly we have to solve? Um, the problem goes like this. Problem goes like this. We'll have a problem which is given as follows. You can see the problem. Okay. From the following data, we can consider it as problem number. This is problem number 5, and we'll take it as problem number 6. Okay, fine. From the following data given below, construct index number of the group of 4 commodities. How many commodities we have? 4 commodities. What are those which I am highlighting here? Rice, wheat, sugar, clothing. Done. And what they've asked us, they've asked us to calculate Laspeyres, Fastius and Fisher's method. And they have given the following information that you can see. 2000 and 2010. They have given 2 years, that is the decade back information and the decade after the decade information. It is 2000 and 2010. So basically 2000 is considered as base year, fine, and 2010 is considered as current year, fine. 2000 is considered as base year and 2010 is considered as current year. Okay, and price of 2000 is considered as P naught, and quantity of 2000 is considered as Q naught. I'm just giving a note of this Q naught, and price of the current year is considered as P1 and the quantity is considered as Q1, which I have highlighted here. Okay, now we'll first make note of the formulas and then we will calculate. First we have Laspeyres, fine. Next we'll have Fastius. Okay, next we'll have Fastius. Next we'll have Fisher's. Next we'll have Fisher's here. So we can bring this Fisher's here so that we can solve the problem easily. Okay, fine. We can also bring Laspeyres here. Fine. Now what all we have to consider? What we have to calculate as per the formula? We have to calculate P1 Q naught. Fine. Have a tabulation. We'll have to calculate what we have to calculate. We have to calculate P1 Q naught. Next P naught Q naught. Next P1 Q1. Next P naught Q1. So these parameters which we have well designed, we have to calculate. Now already we have named and we have identified what are P naught and P1 and Q naught and Q1. Now P1 is current year and P naught is base year. P1 Q naught, we have to start multiplying. P naught into Q naught, it means P naught into Q naught. P1 into Q naught. P1 is 30 and Q naught is 15. So P1 is 30, fine, into Q naught is 15. We'll get 450. So just same calculation procedure. P naught Q naught, it is 21 into 15. 21 into 15. So it is 21 into 15. We'll be getting 315. Same will be taken. P1 Q1, 30 into 14. 30 into 14 is 30 into 14. P naught Q1, P naught is 21 into Q1, it is 14, 294. Okay, just what we have to do is we have to add all this. We have to add all this. Okay, we have to add all this. Simple, right? 450 plus 432 plus 75 plus 220. So 1 minute. It's P1 and Q naught. It is 30 into Q naught 50. Okay, it is equals sum. We'll be just adding all this. Simple it is. Okay, the same will be dragged here. We'll be getting the answer. Now we have to just apply the form. We have to just, what we have to do? We have to just apply the formula. We have to just apply the formula. How we will apply? First we have to apply last Pierce. Last Pierce is P1 Q naught divided by P naught Q naught. P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught is, it is 177. 1177. Okay. It is 1177 divided by P naught Q naught 681 into 100. We get 172. Next P1 Q1, it is 1305 divided by P naught Q1 744 into 100. We'll be getting 175. Next, this is pastures and this is last Pierce. This is pastures, and we'll be working on with Fisher. Fisher is simple. Okay, Fisher is simple. It is, what we have to do is square root of what? Square root of P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught, it is 1177 divided by P naught Q naught. Okay, P naught Q naught into P1 Q1 1305 divided by P naught Q1 744, a whole into 100. You'll be getting 174. So this is a simple procedure what we can identify. This is what the simple procedure. If you want to keep it 2 decimal places, no need to have, we'll reduce it to 2 decimal places. Okay, this is a simple calculation of last Pierce method, Pastures method, and Fisher's method. Done? Okay. Next, we will take up the next problem. Take up the next problem. That is See to this. What they've asked. It's problem number 7. Okay. Let me paste it here so that you'll have a better understanding. Okay. Construct Fisher index number for the year 2012 with 2007 as base year. So sorry, we'll make it as 2009 as the base year. What we have to construct? We have to construct Fisher's index. Okay, we have to construct Fisher's index by keeping the following information. Now they have given the quantity of base year and current year, but they have not given the price, but they have given the value. Okay, they have given the value. So now we will name what is Q0 and Q1, because 2009 is a base year, so Q0 will be 2009 and 2012 will be Q1. Now they have given the value. Fine, they have given the value. What is value is all about? Value is nothing but, okay, value is nothing but price into quantity. Okay, what is value? Value is nothing but price into quantity. Means, what does 2009 value talks about? 2009 value, okay, 2009 value talks about, okay, P0 into Q0. Okay, and 2012 values talks about value means P1 into Q1. Now we have to find out the price. They have given the value. Okay, they have given the, what they have given? They have given the value. But we have to find out the price. Now how to find out the price? There is a formula to find out the price. Try to understand. Price is equals to value divided by quantity. Okay, what is the formula for price? Formula for price is, okay, the formula for price is value divided by quantity. For every case you have to find out. Now here 2009 represents what? It's a value. Value means P0 Q0. 2012 represents P1 Q1. So no need to find out P0 and Q0, P0 Q0 and P1 Q1. Why? Because it's already there. First we'll find out price for 2009 and we'll find out price for 2012. So what I'll do, I'll cut this and I'll paste it here. So it remains here. Okay. So first what we will do is we'll find the price for 2009. In the sense, we'll find P0. Okay. What is P0? What is P0? P0 is the price, where it is. How do you find out price? Apply the formula value divided by quantity. I'm finding it for 2009. It's a base year price. Okay, fine. Value divided by quantity. Value is, it's P0 divided by Q0. It is P0 Q0. This is P0 Q0. 2009 represents P0 Q0 and 2012 represents P1 Q1. Why? Because value itself is, I have said you, it is price into quantity, and value is for 2009 is P0 Q0, and for 2012 is P1 and Q1. So we have to segregate the price. How do you segregate? Value divided by quantity. Now what is a value? It is 500, right? 500 divided by 500 divided by 500 divided by 100. You'll be getting 5 rupees. So I'll be dragging here. Next for 2012, I'll be finding out P1. How do you find out P1? Simple. How do you find out P1? P1 is 900, that is P0, P1 Q1 divided by Q1. That is value divided by quantity. Base year price value should be divided by base year quantity. Current year value should be divided by current year quantity. Current year value should be divided by current year quantity to arrive at what? Price of base year and current year. So how do you get? It's simple. P1. How do you get P1? Value divided by quantity. Value is 900, right? 900 divided by 150. Okay. So 900 divided by 150. It is 6. So we got P1 and P0 and P1. We have P0 and Q0. Now what is the procedure? We have to calculate. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the values P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. Okay, fine. How do you calculate P1 Q0? How do you calculate P0 Q1? Try to understand. How do you calculate P1 Q0? P1 it is here and Q0 is here. Okay, so is equals to P1 into Q0. You'll be getting the answer. Okay, next P0 Q0. P0 is here, Q0 is here. So is equals to P0 into Q0. As you can see, 2009 P0 Q0 and this P0 Q0 is same. Why? Because the value itself is P0 Q0. Next P1 Q1. What is P1 Q1? P1 is 6 and Q1 is 150. So is equals to P1 is 6 into Q1 is 150. You'll be getting 900. So as I said, you the same answer will get. Next P0 Q1. Okay, you'll be getting P0 Q1. P0 is 5 and Q1 into Q1 is 150. So it is 750. Apply the same format. Just add. Okay, is equals to sum. I'll be adding these. So same, I'll add all. I'll be applying the formula. How do you apply? I'll be calculating here. Is equals to square root of what? Square root of P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q0 into P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q1 whole into 100. You'll be getting 118.61. So this is possible when you calculate Fisher's index number. This is how we calculate Fisher index number when they have given value. Okay, when price is not given. Okay, when price is not given and when value is given, we have to apply this procedure. Okay, we have to apply this procedure. Done. Okay, so in the next session what we can do, we will take up the next session. We will take up when expenditure is given, where other things have to be take place. That is when expenditure is given, when quantity is not given, how to calculate TRT and FRT test. Okay, how to calculate TRT and FRT test, and how to calculate consumer price index. So by this, we can wind up the session, and we'll take up in the upcoming session. Thank you.